What if I told you that there is a way to physically shrink your fat cells? Countless products and diet plans have promised as much, and more. But I am about to reveal the method that has worked wonders for hundreds of people worldwide pursuing fat reduction. It sounds too good to be true, right? Watch this video till end. I will show you how red tea shrinks fat cell. If you not subscribe this channel, click on subscribe button right now. Tea has many benefits for the body, stress and energy levels, and even in the prevention of serious diseases. White, black and green tea have been tested, talked about, and consumed for years on this basis, each with unique but valuable contributions to the body. More recently, red tea has been recognized as their equal, if not superior. And here's why red tea shrinks fat cells. Rooibos is a red bush from South Africa. The leaves are used once fermented in the tea's production, and they offer a range of benefits. Research has shown that components found in the rooibos plant, such as polyphenols and flavonoids, inhibit the formation of new fat cells by 22%. The tea significantly lowers dangerous fat found in the blood, such as triglyceride concentrations. Other blends such as green tea, although rich in antioxidants, do not have the same impact on fat cells or weight loss. Red tea is an exciting necessity, and one that has the potential to seamlessly entwine itself with your lifestyle. Sipping the brew burns stubborn problem areas around the body, without an extreme diet or exercise plan. This is a chance to enhance your health as well as your weight loss efforts. And did I mention that it's delicious? Finally, we have access to a health product promising fat reduction that bases itself on facts, rather than myths and false hope. Something worthwhile. It has never been simpler to cut fat cell growth than it is now, with the Red Tea Detox. The Red Tea Detox is a brand new cleansing program that detoxifies the body and sheds pounds quickly and safely. It allows almost anyone to lose 14 pounds in just 14 days. Liz Swan-Miller, creator of the Red Tea Detox, is a 6-time best-selling author with over 10 years of experience as a practicing naturopath. She discovered the unique recipe for this energizing tea, the foundation of the program, during her travels deep into the heart of Africa. Reproduced here for the first time, in the Western world, the Red Tea Detox passes on the recipe for this incredible tea in the form of a fully digital product, making it available to customers instantaneously. This comprehensive book is broken down into 3 different sections. But first watch custom reviews, then I will show you the different section of books. Okay friends, I will be back after customer review video. Don't go anywhere.
I just cannot stop talking about the Red Tea Detox system. My friends are so tired of me bringing it up, and my husband finally agreed to try it just to get me to shut up about it. Well, and he saw the wonders it worked for me, and he loves it. So it was really a godsend for me and my family. And I just cannot believe an entire African tribe was sitting on this amazing secret for so long. So where do I even begin with describing it? It's so simple to follow, and I never got confused about what I was supposed to be doing on that day. Liz makes sure to explain everything you need to know so that you never get tangled up with it. And I was a little worried about the tea at first, but once I actually tried it, I was actually blown away at how delicious it was. And plus, Liz gives you loads of different ways to prepare it, so I never got bored with it. Tea lattes, smoothies, slushies, even popsicles are all included. But most importantly of all, the Red Tea Detox actually really truly works. And not just a little, it worked a lot. And I've been on it for over a month now, and I'm already down 22 pounds. Yeah, 22 pounds. And as a mother of 2 young kids, I really couldn't be any happier than I am with this diet. Ever since starting a family, I haven't had a whole lot of time for exercise, and my days are a whirlwind of extracurricular activities, carpooling, keeping the house clean, and preparing meals. So when I finally got a free second, I really don't want to spend it on my feet. And beyond that, there simply isn't enough time in the day to make a separate breakfast, lunch, and dinner for myself along with everyone else's. So the Red Tea Detox solved both of those problems for me. I could exercise when I wanted to, but it wasn't required, and I could still eat most of the same meals my family was having. No double cooking, and that means more time to do what I love most, and that's spending time with my beautiful family.
I am back, my dear friends. I hope you have motivated and willing to know the 3 different sections of this comprehensive book. Number 1 is diet. This portion of the Red Tea Detox outlines the importance of detoxifying the body before weight loss efforts, why toxins can hold your metabolism back, and the overall benefits of a red tea cleansed system for both the body and mind. What's more, it outlines in detail which energy-rich foods can help you burn fat faster than ever before. And number 2 is exercise. The exercise section is designed to complement the diet portion of the Red Tea Detox. It consists of a variety of supercharged exercises that will help melt body fat even faster. Coupled with the metabolism-boosting diet, these quick and effective routines have the potential to almost double the weight loss results. And number 3 and most important is willpower, motivation, and mindset. This third section delves into some of the most common myths about willpower and how truly understanding the underlying realities of motivation can revolutionize your weight loss and your life. It's a vital part of this program and, for many, has helped them lose weight fast and keep it off for good. So my dear friends, now you have understood the basic concept of this program, you can download and read the free sample. The download link is given in below description. If you are looking to lose weight, you are not going to be disappointed. I will recommend you to download, right now, and discover the secret tea you could make from ingredients in your kitchen right now, that burns belly fat like crazy. And if you want to lose more weight, simply repeat the program until you reach your goal. Dear friends, please like and subscribe this channel, you will get new video regularly.